Those two are Luftwaffe. And that one's Ryanair. There's been some other planes gone over, I missed them, but they're further down the street, so I wasn't there. Right, Ryanair then, eh? Alright, I'll go and get details. Right, the plane across the back, which I said was climbing, come from Newcastle. Ryanair, now at 22,000 foot. Details: Echo India Delta Papa Juliet, from Newcastle to Spain. I say that because I don't want to mispronounce that. Flight details. And Snot rocket. Right, I'm going to nip outside. I'll ditch this video if not needed, but there's a KLM killing machine going into range at 25 mile. It's going to be end at street if you can see it. It's not too bad down that end at street. Papa Hotel Sierra Echo, going from Amsterdam to Glasgow. I'm doing it now because by the time I get in it could have bloody landed. So
yeah,
right, that's the plane.
Speed like you move.
Right, it's now hitting 25 miles, so it should be visible just about. Could have sworn it went backwards then. Oh, it went forward again, it's alright. Must have been out of gear. Oh well. Right, here comes the killing machine, right under the bloody sun, typical. I'm baking here. Oh, he's spraying alright. Right, I'm gonna have to sit down. Certainly spraying. That's that bit, I'll go and catch him out up front. Right, back on with video. Killing machine, KLM Royal Dutch Airlines. Dirty trail. Must be about 20 mile away by now. Oh, I'm getting a headache off that. Yeah, spraying big time. Full sky job. Oh, I lost my bloody plane now. Oh, there we go. It's going away from us. Won't be able to zoom on that. Okay, I can really hold it steady, can I? Full spray. It's vanishing off into the haze over that way, but it's still spraying. Oops. Where is it? There we are. I'm going over that way. That's a contrail, what I can gather. It's fading out at the back. He's just leaving a bit of a dirty contrail. See, in comparison to the chemtrail of that one. I can't see a friggin' thing here. The bloody sun is bright. So chemtrail and contrail, don't know as I can get focus on that bit of trail there. Anyway, there's a bloody trail that sorry, reflection's too much, I can't see. But yeah, he's leaving a contrail. That's the KLM Ken trail. And on flight radar, never saw this one either. Another one gone over. Left dirty trails right through the old Luftwaffe trail. Actually, that one that I said was contrail, he started spraying over that way underneath the sun. I'll have to trace these in a minute. According to this clock, it's nearly 5 to 11. 5 to 10 even. Bloody hell. Oops. She isn't wrong, you know. Right, so yeah, they're all like it. All the bloody lot of them. And as a quick follow up to that one, I never thought looking over my head. Right, go over. It's sprayed right over the house as well. I hope that's in frame. I can't see a frigging thing here. Sun's bright. Very bright. Even though it's behind a load of white muck. I don't know what that one was. And that one going across there is the Lufthansa. The trails across the Pennines have all sort of gone into white haze. White shit. I need to ground these bastards. They need grounding. Using frequencies on that one as well. Frequencies right down the trail. Right, the plane that went to the left, the one I said wasn't spraying, it was. It's a killing machine. Same again, registration, Papa Hotel, Bravo X-Ray, Foxtrot going from Edinburgh to Amsterdam. Boeing 737. Let's find the other bugger. Maybe a recap. Papa Hotel, Bravo, Foxtrot, Victor, killing machine. Boeing 747, Amsterdam to LA. Snot rocket. And details. 747, blah 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 blah, all that lot. Right, that's that one. The one that went over first before it is another one, Edinburgh to Amsterdam. Yeah, it's Amsterdam, isn't it? Amsterdam. That's a killing machine, Boeing 737, Papa Hotel, Bravo X-Ray, Foxtrot. That's on a recap. I'm still not sure about the one that went overhead. I might have to let that one go. I think that was the first and another killing machine. They seem to be having a spree. Amsterdam to Glasgow. Boeing 737, Papa Hotel, Hotel Sierra Echo. Health and Safety Executive. That's a bloody laugh, isn't it? Right, so that's that one. There's the other one coming in, but going the other way. Yes. Now we've got a Logan there. That's the end of the street. Here's the other one that went over that I never noticed. So that's the one we're filming. and there's the other one that left another dirty trail. They're all KLMs. That's Amsterdam to Los Angeles, going 747. Papa Hotel, Bravo Foxtrot Victor, Papa Hotel, Bravo X-Ray Foxtrot, and the other. There you have it.